Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do my first update to my Colourpan project. If you want to see how far I got along with these items, just stay tuned. Alright, so this was the hashtag Colourpan project that was started by Misty at Misty Pans, and I liked her idea, so I decided to join along and do one of my own. The purpose of this project is to get more use out of any of your Colourpop, Fourth Ray, and Soul products. So I got several things in here from Colourpop, and then I got one Soul product. So let me tell you how far I got along in my palettes. I chose two palettes for this one. It was the It's My Pleasure palette and the Bambi palette. And then I had put a Colourpop blush in here, the Soul bronzer, and then I put 4 of the Colourpop gel liners in here. So let's get started with the first one. On the palettes, I had a 20 usage goal on the It's My Pleasure. So this is what It's My Pleasure look like. This is my favorite palette that they've made from Colourpop. It is what's on my eyes today. But so far in the project, I've used this 5 times. So 5 so far. And then my Bambi palette, I like to keep the Bambi palette in its packaging because I just like it. But the Bambi palette, I've used a total of, let me show you what it looks like to remind you if you haven't seen the original video. I've used this one a total of 3 times. It's a nice everyday neutral, well, not neutral, but a warm tone palette. It's like a yellow, leans on the yellow side. It's very beautiful. And then I had a 10 usage goal on that. So 3 out of the 10 so far. And then the Papaya blush. This is the blush I was scared to use because it wasn't what I thought it was when I originally ordered it. And I guess I should say really scared, but I knew I would shy away from it. But it's a beautiful blush, and I've used this one a total of 3 times. I gave myself a 20 usage goal on this one as well because I wanted to get myself to use it so I could see how it's like and not just shy away from it. And then on the Soul bronzer, this one was in my original project planning. And then when I decided to start this one, since I had so many contour and bronzers in that one, I moved this one over. And I have got a lot of usage out of this one. So far, I've used this Soul bronzer 9 times. It has a slight little dip going in there. So far 9 times. And I wanted to hit pan on this. So still got a ways to go, but 9-time usage, and that's where we are so far. And then the last remaining items, I wanted to use these all up. So we have the extra frosting. That's this one. This is Amethyst Hour, Peach Fuzz, and then Icebreaker. Now, out of these 3, I haven't used any of these yet, And then the Amethyst Hour, I've used a total of 3 times. So guys, that's where I am so far in this update. I am making good usage on these items. Like I said, it's on my eyes today, one of the products, and I'm looking forward to continually using these. I've been enjoying them. So if you want to continue to follow along with me, just make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, like the video, comment below if you are also participating in this hashtag Colourpan project, or if it's something that you think that you would like to do, just join along. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.